Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Biology with Kiran. Today we are going to discuss the part 3 of MCQs from Zoology by Miller and Harley. So the first question is, the study of genetic events that occurs in gene pools is called option A, evolutionary genetics, B, population genetics, C, gene pool biology, D, allopatrics. So the correct option is option B, population genetics. A DNA nucleotide consists of all of the following except option A, base, B, ribose, C, deoxyribose, and D, phosphate. So a DNA nucleotide consists of all of the following except ribose. Okay, ribose is present in RNA. Option B is true. The fact that more than one codon in messenger RNA can code for a particular amino acid is referred to as option A, degeneracy, B, redundancy, C, the wobble, and D, anti-parallel. So the fact that more than one codon in messenger RNA can code for a particular amino acid is referred to as degeneracy. Option A is correct. Dash forms muscles, blood, skeletal elements, and other connective tissues. Option A, ectoderm, B, mesoderm, C, endoderm, and D, blastoderm. So muscles, blood, skeletal elements, and other connective tissues are formed by mesoderm. Option B is correct. For an aquatic animal, the range of values for dissolved oxygen that will support life is called the option A, range of optimum, option B, tolerance range, option C, existence range, option D, home range. So for an aquatic animal, the range of values for dissolved oxygen that will support life is called tolerance range. Option B is correct. Which of the following occurs at the beginning of transcription? Option A, RNA polymerase recognize a promoter. Option B, introns are removed. Option C, codons pair with anticodons. Option D, a new strand of DNA is synthesized. Basically, transcription is the formation of messenger RNA from DNA, and its first step is RNA polymerase recognize a promoter. Option A is correct. A character that is shared by an outgroup and all members of study group is called a option A, synapomorphy, option B, symplasomorphy, option D, C, derived characters, option D, clade. So a character that is shared by an outgroup and all members of study group is called symplasomorphy. Early cleavage in the zygote of a bird result in the formation of option A, blastoderm, B, Hansen's node, C, amnion, D, chorion. So the early cleavage results in the formation of blastoderm. When a geographical barrier divides members of a population, dash speciation may occur. Option A, sympatric, option B, allopatric, option C, stabilizing, option D, directional. So when a geographical barrier divides member of a population, dash speciation may occur. It's allopatric speciation. A group of animals that shares a particular set of characteristics forms an assemblage called option A, intron, B, photon, C. Axon. D. Taxon. So a group of animals that share a particular set of characteristics forms an assemblage of taxon. Option D is correct. The dash of species includes all the attributes of its lifestyle. Option A niche. Option B habitat. C range. D diversity. Option A is correct. Which of the following is an example of aposymmetric coloration? Option A, one butterfly species resembling an other distasteful species. Option B is the stripes on a zebra. Option C is the stripes on a tiger. Option D is the contrasting color patterns of skunk. So it's actually option D. All populations living in an area make up option A community, B ecosystem, C habitat, D niche. So all populations living in an area forms a community. The development of coelom in animal always associated with option A bilateral symmetry, B asymmetry, C diploblastic organization, D triploblastic. So I think these MCQs are also repeating. Option D is correct. Which of the following is responsible for improved coordination in the swimming movements of a frog tadpole? Option A habituation, B maturation, C classical conditioning, D instrumental conditioning. So option B is correct, maturation. A harmless fly resembles a bee. People react to the fly as if they might be stung. This example illustrates option A aposematic coloration, B Batesian mimicry, C Mullerian mimicry, D counter shading. It's actually option B. If all the requirements of Hardy-Weinberg theorem are met, then option A evolution is occurring rapidly, option B evolution is occurring slowly, option C evolution is not occurring, option D gene frequencies are changing. So it means that evolution is not occurring. Option C is correct. Life arose about dash years ago. Option A 50 million, B 1 billion, C 2.5 billion and D 3.6 billion. It's actually option D. Which of the following occurs at the beginning of translation? A UGA codon is aligned with the P site of ribosomes. Option B, an AUG codon is aligned with the P site. Option C, RNA polymerase recognize a promoter. Option D, two strands of DNA are separated. It's actually option B. All of the following are structures that characterize chordates except one. Option A, dorsal tubular nervous system. Option B, open circulatory system. C, notochord. D, pharyngeal slits. It's actually option B. During protein synthesis, dash is produced in the nucleus and carries the genetic code to cytoplasm. Option A, transfer RNA. Option B, messenger RNA. Option C, ribosomal RNA. Option D, deoxynucleotide. So during protein synthesis, dash is produced the nucleus, messenger RNA. Overall, about -% of food consumed at one trophic level is converted into new biomass. Option A is 5, option B is 10, option C is 20, option D is 60. So it's actually 10%. Dash forms the inner lining of digestive cavity of an embryo. Option A, ectoderm, B, mesoderm, C, endoderm, D, blastoderm. So it's actually endoderm. Evolution, in which each of two species exerts a strong influence Strong influence on other species is called option A contingency, B parallel evolution, C coevolution, D convergent evolution. So it's actually convergent evolution. The capacity of population to increase maximally is called its option A carrying capacity, B biotic potential, C growth limit, D survivorship potential. So it's actually option B biotic potential. All of the following are advantages of chemical communication except one. Select the exception. Option A chemical signals act quickly and easily modified. Chemical signals are effective day and night. None of these. It's actually option A. Dash involves the formation of polypeptide chain at the option A transcription nucleus, option B transcription ribosomes, option C translation nucleus, option D translation ribosomes, and option D is true. When two organisms live in close association and both organisms benefit from that association, the relationship is called option A mutualism, option B parasitism, option C commensalism, option D mimicry. So it's actually mutualism. Which of the following sequence illustrates exponential growth? Option A 2, 4, 6, 8, option B 2, 3, 4, 5, option C 2, 4, 8, 16, 2, 4, 10, 5, option D. So it's actually option C. The study of evolution of social behavior is option A comparative psychology, B ethology, C behavioral ecology, D sociobiology. So it's actually option D. The extra-embryonic membranes of amniotes include all of the following except one. Select that exception. Option A amnion, B somite, C chorion, D allantois. So it's actually somite. That is not an extra-embryonic membrane. Dash is the study of kind and diversity of organisms and evolutionary relationships between them. Option A systematics, B nomenclature, C biogeography, D phylogenetics. So it's actually systematics. Which of the following are pyrimidine bases found in RNA? Option A adenine and guanine, option B cytosine and thymine, option C adenine and uracil, option D cytosine and uracil. So it's actually option D. A character that can be used to distinguish an animal from other animals within the group is called option A synapomorphy, B synplasiomorphy, C paraphyletic character, D polyphyletic character. Synapomorphy. Option A is correct. Invagination of cells in the vegetal half of echinoderm's embryo occurs during a process called option A gastrulation, option B neurulation, option C morphogenesis, option D epiboly. So it's actually option A gastrulation. The final community in a seer is called option A climax community, B primary community, C secondary community, D seer. So it's actually climax community. The non-living reservoir for nitrogen in an ecosystem is option A gaseous nitrogen, B dead animals and plants, C nitrogen dissolved in the water of oceans, D bedrock. So it's actually gaseous nitrogen in the atmosphere. The combination of Darwinian evolutionary theory and population genetics is referred to as option A modern synthesis or neo-Darwinism, option B biogeography, option C adaptation theory, option D adaptive radiations. So it's actually option A neo-Darwinism. Geologist estimates that Earth is about dash years old. Option A 100 million, B 1.2 billion, C 4.6 billion, D 12.3 billion. So it's actually 4.6 billion. Animals can be distinguished from plantae because option A. Animals are heterotrophic, B. Animal cells have cell walls, C. Plants are prokaryotes, D. Plants obtain nutrients by absorption. So it's actually animals are distinguished from plantae because animals are heterotrophic. A stage of echinoderm embryology consisting of a hollow ball of cells is called option A. Morula, B. Blastula, C. Gastrula, D. Archenterion. So it's actually Blastula, option B. Which of the following is the correct way? It's actually written in the same, so we skip it. Aggressive behavior of an animal towards another of a same species is called option A. Dominance, B. Altruism, C. Agonistic behavior, D. Kin selection. So it's actually agonistic behavior. The non-living reservoir for elements such as sulfur, phosphorus and calcium is option A. Atmosphere, B. Bones, C. Ocean water, D. Earth. So it's actually Earth. Which of the following statement is most accurate? Option A. Evolution is always occurring in all populations. Option B. Evolution occurs in virtually all populations at some points in their history. Option C. Evolution rarely occurs in any population. Option D. Evolution never occurs. So it's actually option B is correct. The study of movement of crystal plates during continental drift is called option A. Historical geology, option B. Biogeography, option C. Anthropology, option D. Plate tectonics. So it's actually plate tectonics. The dorsal surface of frog is at frogs, option A. Rear end, option B. Head end, option C. Back, option D. Belly. It's actually back. Option C is correct. Inserting the ADA gene into SCID patient may allow them to produce dash which inactivate chemicals that break down T lymphocyte and cause immune deficiency. Option A. DNA ligase. Option B. RNA polymerase. Option C. Restriction enzymes. Option D. Adenosine deaminase. So it's actually option D. Adenosine deaminase. That's all for today, and next video will come on tomorrow. Thank you.